Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar fell after Federal Reserve policymaker Michelle Bowman said the US central bank should consider interest rate cuts soon, and on rising expectations that Iran's response to the US bombing of some nuclear sites in Iran will be limited. The Eurozone economy flatlined for a second month in June, barely expanding as the bloc's dominant services industry showed only a small sign of improvement and manufacturing displayed none at all, a survey showed. Wall Street rallied as prospects of the US Federal Reserve cutting interest rates as early as July offset fears that Iran would disrupt crude transport in the Middle East. All three major US stock indexes closed higher.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Gold prices traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.